This is Abhed 1, a crypto solution by ChipSpirit. Under the IDEX challenge, we received an award from Ministry of Defense. So we are working with Indian Defense on a secure hardware encryption device Abhed 1. This device has 3 USB interfaces and 2 Ethernet interfaces. One of the USB interface acts as a key to lock and unlock the data flowing through other interface. The unique proposition is that the solution is completely hardware based and there is a minimal software intervention.
Here that we are working on a hardware based solution which will be like this plain text from one USB can be sent to the other USB as a cipher text, okay, and then it can also be sent on the Ethernet. So on your network also, on your network where you have a modem and all, there your plain text will be converted into a cipher text and sent to the other side, whereby I'll show you. So this is the network use case where the Ethernet will be there, the port that you use. With the Ethernet plain text, it will convert into cipher text, send on the public network.
Sure.
Okay, where snoopers can actually snoop in the data. The main idea here is everything is hardware. So you may ask me, right, what is uniqueness in your design?
Right.
This is the first time in the world.
Okay.
Let me tell you, in the world that this thing is being interpreted only in hardware. So all the FAT32 drivers that you FAT32 the driver that you play. So there is no operating system, no Windows, no Linux, no Android, no OS required.
Okay.
So you just plug in the plain text USB. It will convert into cipher text, and this is very useful for Navy.
Okay, why is that so? Why is it useful for Navy?
What they do is from one ship to other ship, offline transactions they put in the cipher text, then they send to other ship. Over there, they plug into our system and they will get the plain text with the same pre-shared key. And the person doesn't need to know any of the OS system. And it is no backdoors. So there can be a backdoor channel with which actually you can actually snoop in the data. But here, backdoors are zero backdoors. So it is very secure, highly secure system.
With Abhed 1, we will be able to shield highly sensitive data from hackers. For crypto specific requirement, contact ChipSpirit.